Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this review video, we're going to take a closer look at the ClickUp project or team management tool. For example, guys, if you run your own project, your own team, if you own your own company, brand, or small business, I'm going to show you exactly and teach you in this review video how to use ClickUp for your projects, how to assign tasks, how to create your teams, how to invite team members, how to communicate with your team members, and all of that to streamline work processes and to enhance the quality of your teamwork. So guys, if you're completely new to this, don't worry, because I'm going to explain everything you need to know about ClickUp. So with that in mind, drop a like, and I'd say now let us get started right away. So first things first, guys, a few words of explanation of what ClickUp is. It is actually no rocket science. So ClickUp is, as previously mentioned, a project or team management tool users can sign up on. The registration is entirely free. Of course, they do feature some subscription plans, but we're going to talk about these and the benefits and bonus features these subscription plans come up with later in this video. So signing up or registering is free. So let me do that really quickly and sign into my demonstration account really quickly. So guys, once you're inside your account on ClickUp, you will be given access to a variety of project as well as team management tools to use and features as well. So let me guide you through this. So guys, what can you do here on ClickUp? The first step would be to create your own workspace, to invite your team members to the workspace, to assign tasks to your team members, to create to-do lists, to create schedules, timesheets, and calendars for your projects, to set goals and milestones, and so on and so forth, guys. So you can create in your workspace by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Usually as a new arrival, you're given a default workspace to work on. So I'm using this workspace for the sake of this tutorial. You can switch between your workspaces by clicking on that arrow down icon next to your current workspace in the top left corner. You may go through your workspace settings, for example, or create a new one by clicking on that button here. So during the workspace creation, ClickUp will ask you what the purpose of the created workspace would be, like work, projects, personal use, and so on and so forth. So let me go with work. After that, select your category, industry, or niche, like IT or software development. So let me go, for instance, with IT, just for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, ClickUp will ask you to invite new team members or people to your workspace to work with them on your projects by simply entering the recipient's email address here. You can paste also multiple. So let me skip that for now or click on done, because I already have one workspace to work with. Next, guys, if you're already logged into your workspace or have created one, you will need to invite your team members to your existing team space or workspace. To do that, click on invite in the bottom left corner, and simply use that window here to send invitations via email. Simply type in the email address of the recipient here and assign a role below by clicking on that button here, like a member, a limited member, a guest, or an admin. With the paid subscription plans, you will also be given the opportunity to create and to assign custom roles. So click on that button here in the bottom right corner to send invitation so that the given recipient may receive the invitation and decline or accept it. So the next step, guys, would be to create a space and to assign and to create tasks, to assign team members to these tasks. So you will be given one default team space at the beginning in your default workspace. You can create more team spaces by simply clicking on that button here, create space. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to customize your space, like, for example, I don't know, project one or project this or that. If you don't want to use these blank spaces, you may, for instance, use some of the customizable templates from the ClickUp library by clicking on that button here. You may describe your project or space here, give it a name, upload a custom icon, and also make it private, for instance, if you'd like to invite only a selected number of team members to the given project, and so on and so forth. So once you're inside the team space, guys, what you may do is, for example, add lists to your team space by clicking on that button here. And you may, for instance, create a task or a list and assign that to that team space, or create a whiteboard presentation, create a form, a document, a dashboard, and so on and so forth. So let's go with the simplest and the most obvious action, which would be creating a task. Let's say you're working on a project, and let's say you're working on a wedding, you're planning a wedding for a friend, and now you're working on a project. And one of the first tasks would be to create a guest list for the wedding. You can do that by simply clicking on that plus icon here next to your team space, or simply create a completely new task by clicking on that plus new button at the top to create a new item. and select task from that menu at the top or from that tab. You may also create a reminder for the task, but more about that just a moment. So to create a task, simply select the location here in the top left corner, like the list of the team space here, or for example, a personal list you created, and you may, for instance, assign a task type by clicking on that button here. Like you can convert the task into a milestone, for instance, or into a form response if you're, for instance, sending invitations to a wedding with a form. For example, if you're working on your wedding invitations and would like to learn from the guests if they can attend the wedding or not, so you can create forms like that as well. So let me stick to a normal task and give the task a name, like for instance, prepare a guest list, describe the task below. You can also use the power of the artificial intelligence to craft a description for you. After that, you may set a status for the given task, like to do, in progress, or complete. And here guys, that part is pretty important. Here you may assign assignees or team members from your team. So simply click on that button here and select the team member or coworker you would like to assign to the given task by clicking on it, or by simply entering the email address here. If you'd like to invite, for instance, an external to work on that task, then here to the right you may set a start and a due date by clicking on start and due date here, and by selecting a date on the calendar here. You may also convert the given task into a recurring task by clicking on set recurring at the bottom. If that's a task you, for instance, repeat on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, monthly, yearly, or on a custom recurring basis, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, guys, you may customize your task by assigning a priority like urgent or normal, label it, for instance, by assigning suitable tags, and so on and so forth, guys. So once it's done, oh, don't forget, of course, to attach files if needed, like PDFs, instructions, documents, images, and so on and so forth. You can do that by clicking on that button. And that's basically it. Additionally, you may add watchers to that task. For example, if you'd like to give your team members the opportunity to follow or to watch the given task and to watch its progress. So last but not least, click on create task here, and that is going to add and create the given task here on, or assign it to the given to-do list or inside your space on the left hand side. Next thing you can do, guys, here on ClickUp is, for instance, communicate with your team members. You may do that by clicking on that button in the top right corner to access the chat feature, and here simply initiate a new chat or conversation by selecting, for instance, your location of the given conversation, like your workspace or a specific team space. You may give the chat or conversation a name if the chat is, for example, about a specific project. Add your first message below, mention someone like a team member if you'd like, for example, the team member to participate in that conversation, or if you'd like to have a group chat. So simply click on that button here, or use the add key on your keyboard, and after that simply add the given username to it. You may also, for instance, leave emojis and so on and so forth, or set the chat on private. After that, click on create chat here, and that is going to redirect you to that chat. So here, for instance, your mentioned team members will be given the opportunity to reply to that text message and to, for instance, upload also attachments to that text messages. Again, to communicate with you. So that's how the communication works here between team members on ClickUp. And what you can do as well, guys, is, for instance, create whiteboard presentations or create the aforementioned forms. Like, for example, click on that plus button here next to form. You'll be given access to that customization window here. So here you can create a new form, for instance, based on one of these templates, or start from scratch. So let us go with a feedback form or with a job application, for instance. And after that, simply go through that customization, assign a location for your form, give it a name, and yeah, simply fill the given form with content. Like if you're planning or if you're working on a team meeting in real life with your team or project members, and now you'd like to learn if your team members can attend the meeting, and you can create forms like that, for example. Or if you're working on a job application, I would like to prepare a form for applicants to hire for your company, small business or brand, like asking them, for instance, about their educational level, their professional background, their skills, and so on and so forth. So guys, as you can see, you can do quite a lot of stuff, useful stuff and actions for your project as well as team management on ClickUp. It would probably take hours to show you each and every function in detail. So let us speed this up and take a look at the bonus features and benefits they offer in the subscription, paid subscriptions, for instance. As previously mentioned, guys, users can sign up entirely without any registration or monthly subscription fees and keep that free membership forever if they like. And users who would like to gain access to more benefits and bonus features may do that, for instance, by upgrading their free membership to a paid one and gain access, for instance, to features like an unlimited storage, unlimited folders and spaces, for instance, Gantt charts, unlimited chat messages, more teams, workspaces and spaces to create, various AI tools, analytical tools, A and B testing tools, private whiteboards, automation integrations, more integrations with other or external applications, mind maps, the aforementioned custom roles you can assign to new team members, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. That's how ClickUp as a project or team management tool can be used in 2025. Let's call it a day here. I hope you enjoyed this review video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time.